December 3rd, 2002, 11:47 p.m. Jennifer Servo dials her husband from a gas station payphone in rural Ohio. He picks up on the second ring. She whispers, "I think someone is following me." He tells her to stay on the line. He is coming. The line goes silent for 4 seconds. Then she says, "He's right behind me." The call disconnects. Her husband arrives 11 minutes later. Car running, door open, purse on the seat, coffee still warm on the roof. Jennifer Servo was never seen again. Police investigated for 14 months. 0 suspects, 0 evidence, 0 answers. The payphone she called from was removed the week before she disappeared. It was not there. The phone company has no record of the call. It never happened, except her husband heard every word. What do you think happened? Drop it in the comments. Follow Brain Rift, new story every week. Sleep well.